Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to install a free audio visualizer in OBS Studio. First thing you want to do is open your web browser and go to this link. You can find the link in the description box down below. Spectralizer is a free OBS plugin. Once you're in this page, the next thing to do is find the release notes on the right side of the page, then click on it. You can find a zip files below the page, find the corresponding file that match your PC. In my case, I will download the Spectralizer for Windows since I'm using Windows 10 on my PC. Once the download is done, extract the files on the same folder. I use Winrar to extract all my zip files. Open the folder and read the instruction text on the README file. Copy these 3 files on your OBS plugin folder. You can find this folder on your drive where you installed your OBS software. I already installed mine a few weeks ago, so I'm overwriting the files right now and deleting the old one. After you're done copying the files, go ahead and open your OBS Studio. Under your Sources tab, we now have additional option which is called spectralizer.sources. We have now successfully installed our audio visualizer. Now let's add that to my end stream scene. To make this work, we need to select an audio source. You could also select your microphone so it will react when you talk. You can customize the width, the height, and the spacing of your audio visualizer. So that's how you install an audio visualizer on OBS Studio for free. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you again next time!